Hello, welcome to AI Blogs Post. Ready to transform your text into stunning AI-powered videos in just a few clicks? In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process using Pictory.ai. First, head over to Pictory.ai and sign in or create a new account. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, click on Script to Video, where the magic begins. This feature allows you to transform any text-based content, whether it's an article, blog post, or script, into a visually engaging video with ease. Next, copy and paste your text into the input box. From here, you can split the text into different scenes, ensuring a smooth flow for your video. Pictory.ai automatically selects relevant visuals, but you're free to tweak and fine-tune, selecting the perfect footage or images from their vast library. You can even add your own media. Now, to bring your video to life, choose a voiceover, either from Pictory's built-in AI voices or upload your own. Background music is just as easy, with plenty of tracks to match the tone of your video. And remember, subtle background music can really enhance your viewers' engagement. Once everything looks good, hit the preview button to see your masterpiece in action. Satisfied with the results? It's time to export your video in the resolution of your choice, ready to be shared on any platform. Congratulations! You've just turned text into an AI-powered video.